All right, now we're in Tennessee, really close to the North Carolina border. There's a waterfall down here at the bottom of this mess, which is kind of a trail. It's called Compression Falls. I think it's right around this corner. Right there it is. Now we're getting close. This one's really out in the middle of nowhere. It's huge. Let's see what needs to be done here. Now you can feel the wind and the mist coming off of it. See if we can get on those rocks over there. Maybe. Oh man, that's worth it. We had to get wet. It was a crazy amount of mist off that fall. A little bit less mist over here. That's probably the coolest waterfall I've ever been to. Out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see if we can get closer without falling in. Alright, I made it this far. My feet are soaked. Both of us fell. And I was worried that, now let's get out of here. Find somewhere else to go.